Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enhance your video quality using adjustments and this overlay, which is so easy to make. I'm just going to quickly go to library and I'm going to freeze frame that, and I am just going to adjust it like this. I'm also going to add in a black stock video, and I'm also going to do the same thing, freeze frame it, and I am going to adjust it. Go to mask and select horizontal, and we're going to kind of rotate it, not 90%, I guess, 180 degree. And we're going to kind of create this sort of layer just to feather that out as well. Select both, right click, create compound clip. Go to blend mode and select overlay. Alright, once you're done with that, you're going to select the video, go to adjustments, and you're going to go and adjust the sharpen here to make your videos look more high quality, and that's pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!